The mystery boxes you have been grinding for are officially sitting there waiting for you to crack them open right now. This is not just about clicking a random button on a screen. It is about seeing the tangible results of every task and referral finally hitting your dashboard. If you have been checking your screen every single hour, you can finally take a deep breath and navigate over to the Rewards Center. You will find it tucked away in the decentralized app section of the main site. Just scroll down a little bit and you will find the central hub for every single thing you have earned over the last few months. We are talking about gold boxes, diamond boxes, and those massive referral bonuses that have been stacking up quietly in the background. Each one of these containers is packed to the brim with ruby points. A gold box is going to land you 500 points. The diamond ones are even better since they carry 1,000 points inside. If you were really active with your referral links or managed to snag those elusive bonus special editions, you are looking at 5,000 points per box. That is a massive jump in your potential holdings that could change the math on your entire portfolio. Once you hit that claim button, you need to head straight over to your profile page. That is where the real numbers show up. You will see your total Ruby balance sitting right at the bottom of the screen. This is the only currency that matters right now because it is going to flip into the actual ecosystem tokens very soon. Everyone was originally looking at the final days of February for the big listing event. That date came and went without a lot of noise, but do not let that discourage you at all. The current buzz in the community points toward the first 10 days of March as the new window. Delays are just part of the game in the digital asset space. It usually means the team is busy tightening up the liquidity or making sure the launch goes off without any technical hitches. The speculation on the final price is already heating up across every forum. Most of the community is eyeing a range between 5 cents and 10 cents on the low end. Some of the more optimistic traders are betting on a climb all the way up toward 25 cents. Your actual take-home pay is going to hinge entirely on that conversion ratio from Ruby points to the final token. We do not have the exact mathematical formula for that quite yet. It is still a waiting game. But having those points secured and visible in your profile is the first major hurdle you had to clear. You want to make sure you are not leaving any money on the table by forgetting a single box. Go through the steps carefully. Hit that reward section. Verify your totals across the board. Then just keep your eyes peeled for that official announcement as we move into the middle of the month. It feels like we are standing on the edge of a massive shift for this project. The energy among holders is absolutely palpable right now. Everyone is counting their points and trying to predict the outcome. Even a tiny move in the conversion rate could mean a huge difference for the people who got in early. This is exactly why we stay on top of these updates every single day. One day you are just clicking links, and the next day you are looking at a serious digital asset. Keep your security tight and your notifications ready. The next few weeks are going to be a total whirlwind for anyone holding these points.